are engineering lightning. Lightning, wondering where lightning comes from these days. But apparently they can make lightning. Here it is. Here's lightning. From the Lightning Institute. That looks like a dry lightning, to tell you the truth. So you can go in here and let's take a look at the lightning videos in Florida. Oh. Cannot play audio. Oh, see, they can make lightning. Yeah, there's technology that we don't know about. Wow. So, lightning, it can be dry. You can make it. You know? Because I've never heard of dry lightning before. And I'm wondering. And another YouTuber turned me on to this website here, University of Florida. The Lightning Research Group. And voila. I found that they can make lightning. And you don't need the water. You know, so kind of like dry lightning. So you can go through this if you wish. Oh, related websites. Oh, sprites. This is interesting. We got some really interesting stuff. I learn a lot from the universities. Find out what technologies are available. Why isn't that going in there? I don't know. Sprite 99 balloons. Okay, 99 balloons is a very occult thing. There's some significance around that. Sprites, Q-Burst. Why aren't any of these working? Not working. Like, I would love to see. Here we are. What are sprites? Like, there's a lot about the weather that they can do these days. And I don't know if they dumped people down, but when I was a little girl, and that was many fucking moons ago, they could do weather. Yeah, they were harnessing the weather even before I was born. So I had to see, where is this dry lightning coming from? Can it actually be made scientifically? Yeah, it can.